Hey everyone, welcome back. If your BNZ Direct Debit is not processing, here's how to troubleshoot it. First, check your account balance. If there is insufficient funds, the direct debit will fail. Then, confirm that the direct debit authority is active and correctly set up inside your BNZ account. Then check the schedule date. Some direct debits only process on business days and not weekends or public holidays. Review whether the merchant attempted to collect the payment. If not, contact the billing company directly. Then ensure there are no restrictions or blocks on your account that may prevent automatic payments. If the issue continues, contact BNZ support to confirm whether the direct debit instruction is active. That's how to fix the BNZ direct debit not processing. Subscribe for more.